called the Flaga. Can you guys hear that?
Whoa! Whoa!
Today is camping day! Yay! We're leaving the city. Rush hour starts at, apparently,
Now.
2 p.m.
It's not that bad. 1 minute traffic. Look at this guy. Crazy.
We are going to Montgomery, New York. And that is approximately 2 hours away from the city. Our game plan is going to the campsite, unloading. I feel like it's a little bit of a walk. And then we're gonna eat army stew. And then tomorrow we're gonna go hiking at Harrison Square Park. Oh, not Harrison.
State.
Harrison State.
Harriman.
To Harriman State Park. Oh, do we need to make reservations?
No.
Oh. And then
We're gonna do a hike.
we're gonna do a hike. And then on Sunday we're going to the outlets. So we get to do stuff that Jackie wants to do, and then I get to do stuff that I want to do.
I love outlets.
I love outlets. It's gonna be fun. I will take you along with me, with us. We made it. This is really nice. Look. This is our campsite.
It's beautiful.
It's nice. It's really kid friendly. And then we have the view of the river. And we didn't want to choose, there was like one site that was like by the water, and then there was one in the woods, and then there's this one. But we didn't want to be too close to the water because we thought it'd be too buggy. So I think this is perfect. And you know, we get both best of both worlds. And now we're setting up tent. Can you guys hear that? That's right. Nola and I are protecting ourselves. It just started to pour. I checked the weather and it said it wasn't supposed to rain. This is the smoke.
It's called Flaga.
It's called the Flaga, and it helps with the smoke. Similar to the
Solo stove.
Solo stove. So the smoke doesn't go in your face. Isn't that cool? Don't we look so extra? We look so extra.
Who's this extra couple?
With a Corgi.
Okay.
We are having army stew today. It's something easy because we had to set up today, so I already prepped everything and I am just going to put it in the pot now and heat it up.
We're gonna go watch the sunset.
We just finished eating.
What did we have?
We had army stew.
Army stew. Tiff forgot the MSG.
I forgot. No, it came with the ramen packet.
It came with the ramen.
And now we're just relaxing.
By the fire, listening to some music.
It took us how many hours? Like 3 hours to set up.
You think it took us 3 hours?
We got here at 5. No, we got here at 5. And then we finished at like 8.
It took us 3 hours to set up?
Yeah. Isn't that crazy? Also, because we had to wait. We had to wait for like 10 minutes because the rain started raining. So I blame the rain. And also, it took like an hour to set up the tarp because we messed up. But it looks cute now.
Oh, I told you.
Wow.
It happened.
How'd you know?
I saw it.
Good morning! From day 2 of camping. I'm going to make breakfast tacos and Jackie is making coffee right now. It's very nice sleep. The only thing is our tent is on a slight slant, so we kept sliding down to one side. But I think later we're gonna go to Cold Springs, just a little town, and we're still debating if we want to hike or not. Good morning, Nola! Change of plans! We're buying coffee because we forgot the French press.
Good thing, 4-minute drive.
Yeah, it's not too far.
We're not in total wilderness.
We are not in wilderness at all. Jackie and I got a lavender and coconut latte, but look at the size of this! It's huge! Too much milk.
Probably not that good.
Yeah, we'll see.
We're just haters.
We are haters. We like our coffee the way we like our coffee.
We're just snobs.
We are snobs. Let's taste it. We need to mix it. The beans aren't bad though.
Probably not that bad.
Yeah. Actually, not bad at all.
Not that bad.
We're just haters.
Some of these shop places look very cute.
Not bad. Surprising.
Antiques.
Some of the shots.
So peaceful. Doesn't it feel like your whole world just slows down? It's kind of weird, right? It's not that like we're gonna do anything on weekend anyways, but it just feels like everything's like slowed down.
I think it's because when we're in the city, clocks are everywhere.
You're always looking at time.
You're always looking at time. It's probably like 11 now, right?
Yeah.
We are at Hudson Valley Brewery.
Yeah. Good vibes.
Very cute vibes.
We're closer to walk. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so fragrant. Pineapple and coconut. very good. Very sour. Nola.
We're at a little market. We got some chicken skewers from the Cambodian stall. It's pretty good. Lemongrass.
Oh my god. Hot fat.
Right now we're in Cold Spring. Jackie went into a vintage motorcycle store. And I'm just going into antiques and everything's pretty cheap. We're gonna eat some pizza.
Pizza.
It is a hot day.
Hot day.
We're trying to look for pie and we couldn't find pie.
We went through places.
Yeah.
Look at how greasy.
We're on our search to find pie. How far is it?
12-minute drive.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's on the way.
On the way back home.
Yeah. It's called
Home to the tent.
Noble's Pies.
Noble's Pies. And then we're gonna set up our hammock. And then we are going to chill for the rest of the day. I want to edit this vlog. I want to be able to just chill and edit this vlog. And maybe read. I think that'd be nice. But that's a lot on my agenda. I feel like the day is already gone.
The feet.
You look good.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god!
Not you.
My hero!
Not you.
Okay. This is gonna slip, I'm gonna be ass. Whoa, god.
Your pants are falling down.
I know, I have so much shit in there.
We're done cleaning up. This is goodbye. This is goodbye. Until next time. 24 hours camping.